Kiwanyan for 38 years. I was the district governor in 2014-2015, and I know where I'm coming from. And I know kung sino yung nakikita kong makakapagsilbi sa atin, makakapag-lead sa ating organization with the credentials and experience. Simple lang po. When you talk about the position of governor, because eventually, kung vice governor, manalo si Randy ngayon, next year, he will become the governor-elect, hindi mo na pwedeng i-challenge yan, and then the year after that, he will become the governor. Hindi mo na rin pwedeng i-challenge as governor-elect. So, ano yung hinahanap natin? We need a good leader. And when we talk about a good leader, we're talking about management skills. Hindi lang yung you have an extensive experience or knowledge about Kiwanis education or any other matter. You need management to run the district of 5,000 clubs. How many members? 5,000 members, 26 divisions, and so many clubs. Ilan ang clubs? 230 plus. Okay. You need a good manager to manage all of that. And the management experience of candidate Randy. Let's talk about candidate Randy first. Maganda naman yung kanyang pinamalas na background. As an employee, as a Kiwanyan. As a Kiwanyan, most outstanding club president, most outstanding lieutenant governor, and I hope pagdating ng araw, magamit niya yung mga experience na yon sa pagsilbi bilang governor. They say that he is young to run for the position of governor. Actually, yung pong incoming governor natin will be the youngest ever. Governor Neil Espino is about 42 years old. Si Randy is 47. You don't have to be old to be able to serve. You don't have to wait for a certain age para makapagbigay ka ng bagong ideas. I'll give you an example. Si Governor Neil, yung kanyang modules na ginamit sa Kiwanis education, napakaganda. He trained a group of volunteers, no payment. Lahat sila natutong mag-lecture sa kahit anong topic na i-assign sa kanila. They were very intelligent, very capable, okay, and dedicated sa kanilang trabaho. You all experience that. Kasama kayo sa training sa silang, right, for the new officers, sa medyo senior, but she also has the experience. What I'm just saying is that we need young blood to run the affairs of Kiwanis. Marami pong ideas na nakasalang. One of them, the foremost project of Randy's digitalization. In this modern age, we need that reason. It's really management. It's really experience. Your credentials, he has a good educational background, a good employment background, a most outstanding employee, okay? And he has been there for so many years, managing a most difficult business, running a palengke. Hindi ko naman sinasabi ng palengkerang Kiwanyan, pero actually marami rin problema. Management skills, management experience is what you need, not just about extensive knowledge in Kiwanis education or occupying this position or occupying that position. That's not enough. You have to be a good leader. Another thing that I have seen in this candidate, which I have not seen in the others, actual participation sa mga proyekto. When he was a club president, hanggang maging lieutenant governor, dinudumihan niya ang kamay niya sa pagsama sa proyekto, which I don't see in the others. You have to get that experience of serving on the ground, serving the children of the world, you have to get that para ma-feel mo kung ano talaga ang pangangailangan ng organization natin. When Randy explained yung kanyang program of Back to Basics, hindi kami nag-usap dyan. Bakit? In my case, when I ran for governor-elect in 2013, Back to Basics program din ako. Ang four pillars: growth, education, fellowship, and service. Pinagdiinan ko yung service because that's what we are all That's why we are all Kiwanis. Diba? Gusto natin serving the children of the world. Pinagdiinan ko yun. And I'd like, when I heard him say that, this is the good leader that I'm looking for. This is the good leader that I should support. Sally, as a district treasurer, nabanggit niya, ginagawang issue yung, actually Sally, if she wins, will be the treasurer of Governor Neil. So magsasabay sila, parehong taga Pangasinan. Issue sa kanya, bakit kayo from the same province? Baka mamaya may collusion daw. That's not true. Because the governor and the treasurer, together with the entire board, are serving on their own platforms of transparency and honesty. They will not destroy their names. Crisantemo, where the other candidate, the opponent of Randy comes from, Kiwanis Club of Crisantemo, already has 5 active members who were former governors. Ibigay naman po natin sa iba. We're not saying na, uy, sinusolo nyo naman eh. It's not that. We're not saying na, uy, wala na bang ibang magaling? Bigyan nyo naman yung iba. Let's give a chance. In Kiwanis, we say, we produce good leaders, we don't produce followers. So let's produce leaders from all regions of Philippine Luzon District. Okay, I'm not saying that Kiwanis Club of Crisantemo is a poor club. Excellent club. They have a very good background. They have reaped awards. When I was the governor, the most outstanding lieutenant governor was a member of Kiwanis Club of Crisantemo. Yun lang po hinihingi ko. Give an opportunity to others. Doon po sa Kiwanis Club of Muntinlupa, meron na rin pong isang past governor who is also a member of Crisantemo. So siguro, it's enough, it's about time that we get governors from other areas and governors who are young and with new ideas. Yun lamang po. Maraming salamat po. Tulungan po natin ang mga kandidato sa